Hello guys. So today we will build the best $2,600 gaming PC. So let's begin. For the CPU we are going with the best gaming CPU on the planet. You know it's the 7800X3D. Its price is a little high on Amazon at $559. It has 8 cores, 16 threads. Combine that with its enormous 128 MB/L3 cache and a whopping 5.0 GHz boost clock, making it the best gaming CPU. Keep in mind, best gaming CPU. For the MOBO, we are going with the best looking motherboard, the Gigabyte Aorus X670. I mean, just look at it. Absolutely beautiful. These are all the features if you want to know. For the RAM, we are literally maxing out with a 48 GB kit clocked at 7200 MHz and a CL timing of 34. Damn, it's a fast sticks. More than enough for gaming and streaming. For the SSD, Crucial T700 Gen 5 NVMe M.2 SSD. Read and write speed up to 12, 400/11, 800 MB/s, which is just insane. For the case, Montech King 95 Pro. It's an absolutely beautiful fish tank case. Just look at it. It also includes a built-in fan hub for all your RGB products. For the AIO, get this one. For the PSU, get the Corsair RM1000X. It's a 1000W PSU, 3.0 ready and Sci 5.0 compatible. Now finally the GPU. The Ashrock Taichi 7900 XTX white version. It's just absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at it. It is the best, I mean literally the best valued high-end card on the market. Its 24 GB VRAM and 384-bit memory bus makes it an extremely future-proof. And it's available for $950 on Amazon, which is really good for what it has to offer. Yeah, there you have it. The best $2,600 gaming PC. See y'all later. Bye.